When your home becomes an investment property, who can you trust to manage it with the same care you would? I love advising clients on investment purchases, which led to the natural development of my property management division. It started as a favor to my top clients who, after making strategic purchases, always asked, who will manage it? Knowing the clients, their properties, and their goals, property management became the next logical step. Nearly 15 years later, we manage over 70 select properties, specializing in unique homes in Nashville, Brentwood, and Franklin. Rather than being a typical property management firm, we offer a personalized, hands-on approach. Our services include professional photography, listing, and syndication, tenant showings and pre-qualification, including credit, background, eviction, and employment verification, pre-move-in tenant walkthroughs, home maintenance and repair management, and post-move-out tenant walkthroughs. For personalized, hands-on property management, reach out to us today.